Pegatron Beauty Device Pro. Get ready to glow with our latest innovation. A beauty device that's designed to make self-care routines effortless and enjoyable. The ergonomic handle is crafted for a comfortable fit, making it easy to use and maneuver. The unique droplet-shaped therapy probe can reach delicate areas of the face, such as under the eyes and nose, providing thorough care. This 7-in-1 device is designed to simplify beauty routines. A single charge provides up to 14 cycles of use, and the intuitive interface and automatic mode switching make operation easy. EMS microcurrent technology delivers a gentle yet effective treatment. Features like smart detection and a fully waterproof design provide added convenience and confidence. For those seeking to simplify skincare routines or indulge in some relaxation, this beauty device is an ideal companion. The foundation of all skincare is cleansing. After washing the face, toner is applied to a cotton pad, attached to the device, and secured with a metal ring to draw out dirt and impurities. Next, moisturizing is conducted, with EMS enhancing the depth of skincare penetration. This can be combined with products containing vitamin C to boost brightness. To complete the routine, the cooling function calms and soothes the skin. The device automatically switches to the next process when the time is up, and also allows users to manually select and use a single function as desired. Re-energize your glow one application at a time.